Hidden kingdoms between life and death. Part introduction. Creatures of the shadows. In the quiet corners of forests, on the bark of damp trees, or in decaying matter, strange life forms arise, neither plant nor animal, yet possessing traits from both. These are the fungi, creatures that for centuries remained in the shadows of scientific awareness, until research uncovered their secrets and revealed an entire kingdom brimming with wonder, power, and mystery. Fungi are among the most fascinating organisms in the world of microbiology. Their forms range from invisible spores to mushrooms that span meters in width. They do not photosynthesize like plants, nor do they move like animals, yet they play some of the most vital roles in ecosystems, medicine, agriculture, and even human health. From producing life-saving drugs to causing fatal infections, fungi exist at the crossroads of life and death, both destroyers and healers. They are a silent, powerful force that reveals the precision and creativity of creation itself. First, what are fungi? Fungi are living organisms distinct from both plants and animals. Although they share some features with plants, such as having cell walls, they differ fundamentally in their internal structures and the way they obtain energy. Fungi are heterotrophs, meaning they cannot produce their own food. Instead, they absorb nutrients from organic matter around them, dead leaves, decaying organisms, or even living hosts. They thrive in diverse environments: damp soil, tree bark, decaying food, the human skin, deep ocean floors, and even extreme climates such as high temperatures or high salinity. Though often unnoticed, fungi are essential to the balance of life on Earth, performing roles that no other organisms can. Second, types and classification of fungi. Fungi are categorized into several major groups, each with unique structures and functions. Filamentous fungi. These include molds and many species that grow in long threads known as hyphae. They are common in food spoilage and soil ecosystems. Sac fungi, Ascomycota. These produce spores inside microscopic sacs. Some species are used in cheese production and antibiotics. Club fungi, Basidiomycota. These include the familiar mushrooms that appear above ground. They often play crucial roles in breaking down wood and organic matter. Imperfect fungi, Deuteromycota. Their full life cycles are not completely understood. Many are pathogenic and cause diseases in humans and plants. Yeasts. These are unicellular fungi widely used in baking, brewing, and biotechnology. Parasitic fungi. These feed on living hosts and can cause severe diseases in humans, animals, and crops. This vast diversity shows that fungi are not mere leftovers of creation. They are finely tuned entities, each with its own purpose and function in the web of life. Third, how do fungi reproduce? Fungi reproduce in various ways, depending on the species and environmental conditions. They can reproduce sexually, through the fusion of specialized cells, or asexually, through the production of spores or cell division. Spores are incredibly light and can travel through air, water, or animal carriers. This efficient method of dispersal allows fungi to colonize new environments rapidly, especially damp and nutrient-rich areas. This rapid reproduction and adaptability makes some fungi extremely invasive and hard to control, traits that can be both beneficial and dangerous. Fourth, when were fungi discovered? Although ancient civilizations knew of fungi through experience, such as edible mushrooms or spoiled bread, the scientific study of fungi began in the 17th century with the invention of the microscope. The Italian biologist Marcello Malpighi was among the first to observe fungal structures under magnification. Later, during the 18th and 19th centuries, the field of mycology, the study of fungi, began to flourish. Scientists began classifying fungi, understanding their life cycles, and recognizing their roles in disease, decay, and symbiosis. What was once dismissed as rot or mold became a subject of deep scientific and spiritual reflection. The benefits of fungi. Despite their often negative reputation, fungi have contributed enormously to science, medicine, and the environment. In food, fungi are essential in producing bread, cheese, yogurt, and even plant-based meat alternatives. In medicine, the first antibiotic ever discovered, penicillin, was derived from a type of mold. Fungi have since given rise to many life-saving drugs. In ecosystems, fungi break down dead matter, recycling nutrients and enriching the soil. In biotechnology, Fungi are used to produce enzymes, biofuels, and vitamins. In agriculture, some fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, helping them absorb water and minerals more efficiently. These numerous benefits make fungi indispensable to life as we know it. Their ability to nourish, protect, and heal stands as a testament to the depth of design woven into creation. Sixth, the harms and dangers of fungi. Not all fungi are friendly allies. While many serve humanity, others pose serious threats. Among the most notorious are parasitic fungi that infect humans, animals, and plants, leading to severe and sometimes deadly diseases. Some fungi produce mycotoxins, poisonous compounds that contaminate crops such as grains, nuts, and fruits. These toxins can cause liver damage, cancer, and weakened immunity, and they remain potent even after cooking or processing. Fungal infections in humans, like candidiasis and aspergillosis, are particularly dangerous for individuals with weakened immune systems. These infections often spread silently and are hard to diagnose early, making treatment difficult and sometimes ineffective. In agriculture, plant pathogenic fungi cause major losses in food production. Crops like wheat, rice, and bananas are often attacked by fungi that leave entire harvests inedible. This affects not only farmers, but also the global food supply chain. Some fungi also cause structural damage by feeding on wood, fabric, and building materials, leading to costly repairs and potential safety hazards. Indeed, the dark side of fungi reveals a powerful force that must be respected and controlled, a reminder of the delicate balance that governs life. Seventh, the most dangerous and mysterious fungi. Throughout history, several fungi have gained notoriety due to their extreme toxicity or mysterious behavior. Amanita phalloides, commonly known as the death cap, this mushroom is among the most poisonous fungi in the world. Consuming even a small amount can lead to organ failure and death within days. Aspergillus flavus. This mold produces aflatoxins, which are among the most dangerous known toxins. It grows on grains and nuts stored in warm, humid conditions. Candida auris. A relatively recent discovery, this fungus is resistant to most antifungal treatments and spreads rapidly in hospitals, posing a global health threat. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Known as the zombie fungus, it infects ants, takes control of their nervous system, and manipulates them to climb high before killing them and sprouting from their bodies. Claviceps purpurea. This fungus infects rye and can cause hallucinations, seizures, and even death if consumed. It was historically linked to mysterious outbreaks of madness and hysteria. These examples highlight the complexity and power of fungi, silent forces capable of healing or harming, depending on how they are encountered and used. Eighth, fungi and faith, signs of divine wisdom. The world of fungi, with all its diversity, complexity, and hidden influence, opens a wide window into the signs of divine creation. These organisms are neither random nor chaotic. They serve intricate roles, operate by precise systems, and respond to environmental cues with amazing sensitivity. How can beings that cannot think or see, like fungi, develop mechanisms to protect themselves, spread their spores, or sense their surroundings? Who programmed these survival strategies into creatures with no brain or nervous system? These questions lead the sincere mind to reflect on the wisdom of the Creator, whose knowledge encompasses even the smallest corners of existence. The perfect design in fungal reproduction, the dual nature of their role, harmful and beneficial, and their impact on life and death, all bear witness to a Creator who controls all things with wisdom and precision. It is not by coincidence that penicillin, which has saved millions, was found in mold. Nor is it mere chance that a seemingly useless mushroom can break down the toughest organic matter into nutrients for life. Indeed, these are signs for those who reflect. Conclusion: the silent architects of life. Fungi are more than just molds on food or mushrooms in forests. They are architects of life's hidden processes, recyclers of the dead, guardians of the living, and mirrors of the complexity embedded in creation. They remind us that the unseen can be powerful, and that what appears to be decay may in fact be the beginning of renewal. From healing medicines to deadly toxins, from nourishing bread to rotting wood, fungi stretch across the spectrum of existence with silent influence. Their world invites us to observe more deeply, think more critically, and believe more firmly in the one who created all things in balance and beauty. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to get our latest videos.